There are two things you can do in Xero to create quotes even faster. The first one is to set a default expiry date. This means you won't need to enter an expiry date every time you create a quote. The second thing you can do is to add your standard terms. This means you won't need to type them out manually every time, and it also keeps your quotes more consistent. So let's take a look in Xero at how to set these two things up. Click the Organization menu and select Settings. Then go to Invoice Settings. To set a default expiry date for your quotes, click Default Settings and enter it here. I'll set my expiry date to be 28 days after the quote date and save. If you use different branding themes, each theme can have its own quote terms. Here in Xero's demo company, there are 3 branding themes set up. I'll just add terms to this standard theme. Click Options and Edit. Enter your standard terms for quotes here. And save. Now, when you create a new quote, Xero enters the dates automatically, and your standard terms are here as well. One other thing you can do to speed up quotes even more is to use standard items. So rather than typing out a description, price, account code, tax rate every time, you can simply select an item from a list. See how in this video.